When we first bought our bowling center, it was basically about ready to be demolished.
It looked like it was about ready to cave in. We were done. We were spending $30,000 to $60,000 per year, and we just couldn't take it no more.
When you have customers calling you and asking you if your machines are going to work, it's really sad. And that's when we knew that we had to do something.
The XLi EDGE Pinspotters from QubicaAMF is what we were told that could cut down everything. The machines are saving us probably a good $40,000 a year. Our workman's comp insurance went down about $300 to $700, which is phenomenal.
And our building insurance went down about $10,000 a year. Our customers are so happy. Our leagues have increased 60 to 70%. Our open bowling has increased 80 to 90%.
My bowling pins are 4 years old, and I got brand new AMF AMF lights sitting in the back, and I haven't even put them in yet.
We've only replaced 2 pins that have actually gotten a crack or broken off, just 2 in 4 years.
QubicaAMF changed our lives for the better.